Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Vizio Soundbar volume going up and down, audio volume DRC and CEC fix. So fix 1 is perform a power cycle. Turn off your TV and Vizio Soundbar, then unplug the power cord of both devices from the wall outlet and press the hold the power button on the physical soundbar for 30 seconds to drain residual power. Then wait for 1 full minute, then plug both devices back in and turn them on. Second fix is hard reset the soundbar. Turn on the soundbar, then press and hold the volume down and Bluetooth button simultaneously for at least 5 seconds. Then LED light will flash 3 times to indicate a successful reset. This process will erase any custom audio setting. Third fix is turn off Vizio True Volume. Grab the Vizio soundbar remote, then press the menu button. Use the arrow key to scroll to True Volume, then change the setting from on to off. Press the menu button again to exit and save changes. Fourth fix is fix your TV audio setting. Grab your TV remote and open the TV setting menu, then navigate to audio or sound setting. Look for auto volume, volume leveling or smart sound option. Turn this setting off to prevent automatic lowering of loud commercials. Fifth fix is test for a faulty remote. Remove batteries from both Vizio soundbar remote and TV remote. Firmly press every button on the remote 3 to 4 times to unstick and trapped buttons. Leave the batteries out and use the TV for a few minutes. If the volume stops moving, one of your remote may be sending wrong signal and insert fresh batteries back into the remote. Thanks for watching.